Hello everyone, we are the class 6.3.
And today we're going to take you on a trip through our school, the IGH.
The school was built in 1975 and restructured in 2014.
The IGH is a very big school. It has 1,500 students, or over 1,500 students, from over 66 different countries.
The IGH has over 180 teachers, also from different countries.
So, the IGH has three types of special classes, the so-called profile classes. The first is the biking class, then there is the orchestra class and also the theater class.
For more information, you can check the IGH homepage here.
Here we are in front of the sports hall. Let's go in. Welcome! Hello, here we are in the changing room. Here's also a toilet. Hey, close the door!
To get into the hall, you need to go downstairs. Here we are in the sports hall.
We can do many sports here, like gymnastics. We can play football. And we can even play basketball. And here is the equipment.
Hello, Mrs. McTeacher. I want to go to the library. Is it open?
Look, here are the opening times. And yes, now it is open.
What kind of books can I find here?
Follow me, I will show you all kinds of books. Here are first reading and picture books. And here are non-fiction books. And here are lots of magazines. And here you can find comics. And here we have novels in different languages.
I want to borrow this book. How can I do this?
Do you have your student ID?
Yes.
Give the ID and the book to the assistant. And now you can read out the book at home.
Hey, that's so easy.
The most important rule is to be quiet.
Oh, sorry. Welcome! We are the bike workshop group and tell you all about it. Mr. Lipp is often at the bike workshop. There you can fix your broken bikes. The students of the bike class have to do a mountain bike club. The school has 8 own mountain bikes for the mountain bike class. We are sitting on the bike stands. The teachers can put their bikes here. If you want to train your muscles, you can do pull-ups here. And after the club, everybody can take a gummy bear. Mr. Lipp, can we have a gummy bear?
For sure.
Have fun in the workshop.
Bye. Hello, welcome to a classroom at the IGH. Now we show you what we have here. Of course we have a whiteboard.
And it's special because there's a beamer and you can write with these pencils on it.
At the IGH we have big windows.
In every classroom, there is a timetable for when the students want to see what classes they have or what classes they have.
The secretarial office is an important place if you need information.
The schoolyard is nice and big and has many places to play and relax. In our school garden, we have parties and play games.
We have 3 social workers. One is Mr. Hein.
Hello, welcome to the big canteen at the IGH. You can get your food here or here.
There are 3 different dishes and one of them is always vegetarian. You can get other things at the kiosk.
Hello, we show you the school grounds from the IGH.
This is Sportpark West. Here you can play table tennis.
You can ride your bike on the pump track.
If you want to play football in the break, you can go to the TFB football field.
You can play on the climbing tower.
Hello, this is the schoolyard from the IGH. Here you can take break or eat something. This is the playground from the elementary school.
So we want to show you the PT set full day center. Here you can do a lot of things.
Here is the computer corner. You can walk for school here.
We have also a boulder wall here.
Now we are at the swimming hall.
We have two important rules here. The first one, you're not allowed to run here because when you fall you could hurt yourself. And the second one, don't go into the water when the teacher isn't in the hall yet.
Here we are in the changing room. Here can you change in your swim clothes. We have two pools, one small and one big. Here are the showers. Before you go into the water, you need to take a quick shower. We have many swimming tools here, like balls and swim needles. Stop! You're not allowed to play with your mobile phone on the school grounds.
Stop! You are not allowed to leave the school grounds without permission.
Stop! You're not allowed to go into a subject room without a teacher. Okay, sorry.
Stop! You have to put your rubbish in the litter bin. Stop! You are not allowed to run in the corridors. But the most important rule is to be friendly to everybody.
Hi, Nats, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
I must go to the next lesson.
Bye.
Hello everyone, we are the class 6.3 and today we're going to take you on a trip. The IGH is a pretty big biking class, then there's the orchestra class and the for God's sake.
Here we are in the changing room, and here's also a toilet. Hey! Here we are in the sports hall. We can do many things. I like
Ja, und jetzt? Ja, und jetzt?
And here are lots of magazines.
Welcome! We are the bike workshop group and tell you all about it. Mr Lipp is often at the bike workshop. There you can fix your broken bike. Welcome! We are the bike workshop group and tell you all about it. Mr Lipp is often at the bike workshop. Here you can fix your broken bikes. And after the club, everybody.
And it's special.
And
And it's special because there's a beamer.
okay.
Dann schreibe ich so.
Boah, ich habe noch nicht mal so gemacht.
In every classroom, there should be a timetable for when the students want to see where the classes and what classes they have.
In our nice school garden, in our school garden, we have parties and we play games.
The secretariat office is an important place if you need information.
The schoolyard? Oh, nee. The schoolyard.
Hello, we show you the school grounds from the ITA.
Hello, we show you the school grounds from the ITA.
Warte, wohin?
Hello, we want. Indices.
Here is the shower. Here are the showers. Here are the showers. Before you go into the water, you need to take a quick shower.
Nein, stopp! We have many swimming tools.
We have many swimming tools. Here like sports and swimming.
Stop. You're not allowed to.
But the most important rule is to be friendly to everybody. Hello, Flo. But the most important rule is to be friendly to everybody.
Hi, Matt.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Bye.